night money. Body bags. Red ass clean hands.
J.E. Johnny.
Gang. Gang. Bodies drop quiet when we pull up. Huh.
Well, I hope you brought back up, because just you will not be enough, trust me.
No witnesses. Late night, latex, lace on cross. High heels still running through a danger zone. Lipstick red, but the switch cold. Aim steady, finger never slip, never fall. Dead man talking, but we don't hear it. Zombies begging, we in the spirit. Korrupt suits think they untouchable. Till the girls pull up, looking undeniable. Cash stacks rock when the bloodline dirty. Don't watch stick when the lies too heavy. We don't save them, we erase them. Clean hit, quick fake. When we gone, already. Red dot, dance on the sinner's head. City us, city, but the streets see red. No prayers left, no last requests. Just silence when we step. Instead,
Hey girls, it's Priya here, so I'm headed down to the lab to find that damn displacement satellite. I will continue to reach out when I can, over. Who are you, and are you contaminated?
No, I am not contaminated. Definitely not. I am not one of those things, trust me.
How would you know? Have you been drinking the water?
No, we haven't.
Tell the truth, have you been drinking the goddamn water?
That's why I'm down here trying to get something to help, and I got attacked.
What do you mean we? You just said we as in
that's
plural
not what I
people.
meant.
How have we not been drinking water? Who the fuck is we? You lying piece of shit.
But I just got a little flustered with all the questioning.
Look, I don't know you, so I'm giving you a pass, but I tell you what, you better start making sense now, and I mean right now.
yes sir.
Oh shit.
Pull up on the scene, pink camera with the chrome lip gloss, popping with the face real stone.